Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eugenia Kelsey. If you're new here, this is me. This is what I look like, and that's my hair. But in today's video, I'm actually going to be behind the camera, and we're going to be focusing on Rihanna here, who's volunteered for one of my projects that I wanted to do. I wanted to get someone who's starting out their natural hair journey, don't know what to do with their hair, and I just want to document the process as I go so you guys with type 4 hair could use it as a guide. Some problems that Rihanna is facing is that her hair is very dry, it's very brittle, and very prone to damage, especially at the ends. All you have to do is touch it and it's already in your hands. It breaks, it sheds, and even like just from working with her, like all you have to do is touch it and the hair just starts falling into your hand. So that's what we're going to be fixing today. She also has gray hair at a really young age. I do too, but mine is not as prominent, and she's a bit insecure about it. We're going to be working on that later on, probably dye it, but her hair is not ready for that point. If I were to dye it, it's just going to damage. So we're going to be focusing on making sure her hair is healthy from today. As you can see, she tried like dyeing it with a dye in the box. That's why the ends are brown and the roots are gray. You don't want to do that. So I'll be taking you guys through how I wash her hair, deep condition it, moisturize it, and also put it in a protective style. So you know how we do it over here. Let's just get into it. I started off with undoing the cornrows that she came in with, which was very hard to undo because the person that did the cornrows did not know how to cornrow at all. So I really had to take my time, just be gentle with it. And then after that, I just went into shampooing her hair. I'm so sorry, you guys. I was not able to record the shampoo part because I just couldn't figure out how to do it without getting my floors and her and everyone wet. I'll try to figure it out for the next hair type that I do, but forgive me. Just a visual reminder, her hair was very brittle and tangled. I tried to have her put her hands through it. It would not. It was very heavy at the ends and very tangled. So after shampooing, we went in with the cornrows, moringa, and fenugreek deep conditioner. You could tell her hair is shampooed because look how it shrunk, and her hair is 4C. So yeah, we went in with the deep conditioner. I first try to use my fingers to detangle it a little bit so you could see me applying the deep conditioner and just trying to separate her hair. And the conditioner really helps to like soften her hair so that I could separate it a little bit. Benefits of deep conditioner is that it protects the protein bonds in your hair because you want to make sure that your hair, the protein bonds are protected. It gives the strength so that your hair is not breaking all the time, just like she had prior. If your deep conditioner also has slips, it makes your wash days much more bearable. It makes it soft. You can run your hands through your hair, and that's what we were going for here. After I did that, usually I wouldn't brush through my hair because I just stick to finger detangling. But as a first time, in order to make sure that all the shed hair that has been trapped at her ends, because that's why her ends were so heavy, we just had to go through it with a brush to make sure that we're combing all the shed hair out. And that's what I did. And as you can see, look at the curls. Her curls are popping. She was just so happy. She was like, wow, I've never been able to brush through my hair like that. And I was just very happy just working with her and just seeing like how she was beginning to love her hair. It just made me so very happy, you guys. You can't just imagine. I always recommend working in smaller sections, which is what I'm doing here. I think when you work in smaller sections, you're able to distribute the product evenly in your hair. Every strand gets some attention. Every strand is getting some conditioner in there. I also think working in smaller sections, especially with 4C hair, reduces the chances of you getting frustrated with your hair, because if you pick really chunky big sections, you're gonna get frustrated because you're not gonna get as much results like just being able to brush through your hair as you would in the smaller sections. And once you get frustrated, you begin to rip out your hair, like breaking hairs that breaking like parts of your hair strands that don't need to be broken. So definitely, especially if you're starting out, if your hair is very short, definitely work in smaller sections. The smaller the better, but not just very tiny where you're spending like hours and hours in your hair. Once I was done doing all the sections, I applied some to her edges, her ends, because those parts are smaller and we tend to forget them. And also, this was my poor attempt and trying to get like us washing the deep conditioner out because I felt bad that we couldn't record the shampoo part. But again, you guys, not very helpful. I'm gonna try, and I promise in our next episode, because this is going to be an episode, we're going to record her hair throughout until it's tailbone length, or like until she's like, I'm tired of you, leave me alone. Next, we went in with a cornrows moisturizing leave-in conditioner and the Bringraj Ayurvedic oil to seal in the moisture. So, benefits of a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in conditioner helps to prevent dryness and breakage. So it moisturizes your hair, and this one in particular can moisturize your hair for up to a week. It helps to prevent dryness and breakage, so that means that you're retaining the length that you grow. And it also adds a protective layer to your hair, which prevents against harsh weather. So especially with the winter coming up, you want to make sure that you have a leave-in conditioner and you have a sealant, which could be an oil or in the form of a butter. If you've stuck with us this far, thank you. Thank you for watching. This part, I'm just going to go ahead and cornrow her hair. She didn't want very neat cornrows. Not that my cornrow skills are very expert level. Like, I'm still learning. But she didn't want neat cornrows. She actually has this hair, what you call it? Is it a hairband, right? Yeah, she has a natural hairband where she wears it. Like when I met her, that's what she was wearing. So she likes I'm just like trying to tell you guys what style we're going for here. So she wants the front of her hair a bit messy so that she could put her hairband, and she leaves a little bit of hair in the front, kind of like a leave out but tuck in the cornrows so that it looks like her natural hair with the hairband wig. And yeah, she didn't bring a picture, which is kind of sad, but I think usually visually helps better. But just watch me do cornrows, which I'm very proud of. I've been practicing my cornrow skills, and they definitely look better than I started with. And I get so mad because my cornrows look better on other people than when I try it on me, but it's still a learning process, and I'm learning. I can't wait to stunt on y'all when I have it perfect and all stitched and like all the lines are straight. Okay, I'm talking too much, but I'm just gonna have y'all watch, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so you know how I was trying to explain what style she wanted me to do, and I was like struggling to explain? Okay, well, in her own words, I'm gonna have her explain, and then we'll just move on.
Make it so loose that when you're done, I'll try to do this and it's covered up. Remember how the weave I wore? It's like my own natural and I push it back.
Yeah. And we're all done, you guys. I gave her this hibiscus serum to apply throughout her hair. It has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid, you guys have probably seen it in skincare. It's very good for your hair and also your scalp. It helps keep moisture in your hair. So I just wanted her to have it. So, and it also helps in hair growth. So she's going to be applying that throughout the 4 weeks that I'm not going to be seeing her. So whenever she takes her hair band wig off, she's just gonna go through the lines like I did here. And yeah, see you guys in episode 2. Here are all the products that I used in this video: the deep conditioner, the moisturizer, the brain garage oil, and also the serum. There's also the aloe vera, which I didn't use in this video, but I suggest checking it out. I included a snapshot of the reviews here, but you could also click the link in the description box, which is www.cornrows.com, and read the reviews yourselves. If you're starting out and don't know what to do or don't know what products to choose, I definitely recommend giving these products a try. Or even if you're still like in your hair journey and you have a hard time finding products that works, I definitely also recommend trying these products. And you don't have to be just type 4 to use them. They're for all hair types. I just so happen to be using them on type 4 hair today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll make this into like a playlist that you can go and just find like these videos for your hair type. See you in my next video. Bye, you guys.